My name is Lindsay Moran. I'm the registered dietitian at Connect Care 3, and today we're making egg cups. They're a great option for breakfast and they are loaded with lots of healthy veggies. You can really change up whatever you'd like to put in them and make it your own. Whether that be different vegetables than what we have today, or maybe another source of protein. This is a great recipe to make ahead of time. You can make it on the weekends, keep it in the refrigerator or the freezer throughout the week, and then all you need to do is pop it in the microwave for a few seconds to reheat, and you're on your way with a quick, easy, nutritious breakfast. So today the ingredients that we're going to be using are, of course, eggs. We're going to be including spinach, tomatoes, some shredded cheese, some milk, and also some salt, pepper, and garlic. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, you're gonna start by cracking your 10 eggs into a bowl. So go ahead and get started. And these eggs are a really great source of protein and are going to be the highlight of this dish. Next step is to whisk together all of your eggs. Pour the rest of your ingredients into the bowl with your whisked eggs. Your next step is going to be to take your whisk again and mix all of your ingredients together. Spray a muffin tin with some nonstick cooking spray. And once that's all set, you can go ahead and pour your mixture evenly throughout 12 muffin tins. Once you've gone ahead and filled each of your 12 muffin tins, you're going to take your tray and place it into your oven that's been preheated to 350. And this is gonna go in the oven for about 25 minutes. So once your 25 minutes are up, you're gonna go ahead and take your egg muffins out of the oven, and you're ready to dig in. If you're going to be using these throughout the week, you're gonna wanna let them cool in the muffin tin for about 10-15 minutes or so till you're able to handle them. Then you can take them out, place them in a Ziploc bag or a container, and they're ready to be put in the refrigerator or the freezer to be enjoyed later on in the week. Delicious.